Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. Civic groups demand denotification of Regional Plan 2021, prepare new regional plan on the basis of draft plan, appeal people not to participate in Sonia Gandhi's rally. Goa to go for assembly polls along with 4 states. Sources say election may be held on 29 February. Sonia Gandhi to address first public meeting after her recovery from recent illness on Saturday. Congress targets crowd of 50,000. PWD workers demand regularization of services. Resort to jail Baro Andolan. Workers union threatens strict action. And English Premier League clubs face Italian opponents in Champions League. Arsenal draw AC Milan. Chelsea face Napoli for place in quarterfinals. And now the news in detail. Demand for denotifying draft Regional Plan 2021 is gaining momentum. Civic groups have passed a resolution to appoint new state-level committee to bring out new regional plan within 2 months on the basis of draft regional plan. However, no politician was present at Azad Maidan except Miki Pacheco. Leaders have appealed public not to participate in the rally of Sonia Gandhi.
Take into account the Gram Sabha and village level committee recommendations and opinion. Give due respect to 73rd and 74th amendment and finalize the plan within 2 months. Manya, it is resolved that the state level committee be dissolved and reconstituted under the chairmanship of renowned town planner Professor Edgar Ribeiro, and to involve independent town planners, traffic consultants, environmentalists, disaster management consultants, etc. in an open fashion without any preconditions, and not to involve only architects and builders who have vested interest. Manya, why?
More than 3,000 to 4,000 people had gathered at Azad Maidan to demand denotification of draft regional plan. Except Miki Pacheco, none of the politicians were present for the public meeting. The leaders at the meet also appealed the people not to participate in the rally of Sonia Gandhi on Saturday.
How goykarang ulo marta? Hi ji eta anga tanchi rajamata. Ticha meeting tumi wochu nakat.
I zaite zan. A opos kotta, tu opos kotta. Maka naka, to scrap kor. Kolwanta to heu tak. Borje thai. Sorry to tumka horo mo goykarang to goycho asa chale resign dayat.
Anya sogle jata munosor. ते वेगळे वेगळे कंस्ट्रक्शनाक वेगळे वेगळे प्रोजेक्टाक परवानगी दीत आसा.
जो नाडबुदीन केल्लो रिजनल प्लॅन 2021 कायदो जाल्लो प्लॅन सरकारान डिनोटिफाय करचो.
A reporter in Panchi, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar. Chief Election Commissioner S.Y. Qureshi has made it clear that Goa will go for assembly poll along with 4 other states. Sources from the Chief Election Commissioner's office have informed that elections are likely to be held on 29 February. Except Goa and Uttar Pradesh, other 3 states, Punjab, Uttarakhand and Manipur's assembly term is getting over by March. On the other side, Election Commission has cancelled names of 384 Goan citizens for holding dual citizenship. Chief Election Commissioner held a meet with the government officials on Friday. He also met the leaders of 5 political parties. Some favoured assembly polls in February, whereas others showed readiness for April and May. As per the sources from the Chief Election Commissioner's office informed that assembly polls are likely to be held on 29 February. Election Commission wants to hold assembly polls in Goa along with 4 other states. On questioning about assembly polls in February, he said that they were ready to hold polls at any time.
Your thought of taking elections in February. Today, are you satisfied with the government machinery in Goa? Are they fully prepared to hold elections?
Well, our machinery, we are always, election machinery is not government machinery, it is our machinery. It is always prepared. Always prepared. That is not an issue at all.
Around 384 names have been cancelled from voters' list for holding dual citizenship.
Yes, so if the idea was that if they are carrying a Portuguese passport, they will have to lose the voting right here. So 269 in the North District and 114 in South District have been deleted after last time because of the inquiry that we had ordered.
Chief Election Commission says there are 10,23,491 voters in Goa. There will be strict vigil on paid news. If a voter is registered in 2 electoral rolls, his name will be cancelled from the list. But Qureshi said that they cannot initiate any action on illegal appointment for government jobs before assembly elections.
बताया कि हाँ जॉब तो होते रही हैं, अभी भी हो रही हैं. The only thing is कि अभी हम फिलहाल उसके पे कुछ कर नहीं सकेंगे.
लेकिन सर अराउंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ जॉब
नहीं वो बिल्कुल दिया जा रहा है, लेकिन ये कि अभी हमारी पावर नहीं है ना उनको कुछ क्वेश्चन करने की, ये सिचुएशन.
लेकिन सर इलेक्शन अगर 2 महीने में अभी
जब भी होगा इलेक्शन उसी के बाद ही तो हमारी पावर आएगी ना. बिफोर इलेक्शन वी हैव नो पावर.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kandulkar with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi. President of AICC Sonia Gandhi will address her first public meeting after recovery from her illness on Saturday at Kampal Ground in Panji. GPCC is trying hard to get more than 50,000 people from every corner of the state. This meeting is considered as an unofficial kick-off of Congress's poll campaign. GPCC, different frontal organizations of the Congress and bloc committees are working with zeal to make Sonia Gandhi's meeting a grand success. Union Minister for Defence A.K. Anthony, Corporate Affairs Minister Burappa Moily, Union Minister for Information and Technology for State Sachin Pilot, Shivaji Rao Deshmukh, Jagmeet Singh Brar and Sudhakar Reddy will be present for this meeting. This is Sonia Gandhi's first public meeting after her recovery from recent illness. This meeting is also significant as assembly elections are round the corner. Special arrangements are made to accommodate large crowd that would attend the meeting. Special plans are chalked out for the mobility of vehicles entering and exiting the capital city.
The cars and two-wheelers coming for the function, public meeting, will be diverted at Kala Akademi Junction to proceed to the parking lot at Parade Ground, Fire Brigade Ground and near Home Science College via Santini Junction. Buses coming for the meeting, public function from South as well as North District shall be allowed to enter Panjim city via KTC Circle, Divisa Circle. All the buses will be allowed to alight the passengers at Fire Brigade Junction.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.